Hi friends. Now let us take up the fifth concept in our training session 1 computer basics. This is internet, world wide web and protocols. Actually in the previous concepts I explained about the computer system, hardware, software and relevant topics. But until unless you know about internet, web and protocols, the study of basic will not be complete because the internet and web play a vital role in our study. That's why I explain this concept from a real life angle. If I explain it too technically, it is very difficult for you to understand at this stage. That's why first understand this is from the real life angle. Thereafter, technically also I explain. By that, you can simply own it. Just with this 1 hour of study, you can understand all core basics, relevant basic to your study thoroughly by simply watching 1 hour is enough. And if you are interested, you can read also. Okay. Now, first let us see the product distribution system because you can easily understand that. There are numerous manufacturers in the world and they produce thousands of products. Thousands of products like A, B, C, D, N, and thousands of products they manufacture. Then, in order to provide them to consumers, what they do, they appoint tens of distributors. Tens of distributors. These are manufacturers. Manufacturers are in hundreds, and the products are in thousands, and distributors are in tens. And they provide all their products to the distributors. Through the distributors, it reaches to the consumers. There are millions of consumers, one, two, three, millions and billions of consumers. Through the distributors, these products are supplied to the consumers. Just understand this model. Numerous hundreds of manufacturers are there. They produce thousands of products, and for the sake of distribution, they appoint distributor. Distributors are in tens, and in turn, from distributors, all the products are supplied to the millions of manufacturers. This is the model. So, because of this system, whatever they manufacture, ultimately the products are reached to the consumers, and they can use it. This is the product distribution model. Actually, now we have to see data distribution model. Data distribution model also almost similar. Actually, there are thousands of web developers. With an example, I tell you, I developed a system called website Ekalavya Ekalavya Universis.com. One website I developed with this name. www represents World Wide Web, and Ekalavya Universis is the unique name of my website. Com represents this is commercial website. Okay. Through this website, I would like to provide all the services to transform a student as an industry ready programmer, and ensure a bright software job. That is the objective of the system. For that purpose, number of services I have to provide. Through the single window, I am providing those services. Like me, millions of website developers are there in the world. Millions of website developers are there. Actually, for this purpose, what should I do? How it can reach the students or users? For that purpose, we have to appoint distributors. For that purpose, certain servers are there. I am using AWS, Amazon Web Services. It is a server. This type of tens of servers are available in the world. So we place our website here in the server. In the server, like me, Millions of website developers place their websites in the servers, but tens of servers are available depending on the nature of that their services and effectiveness and all that. They choose the server and place their website. So what happened here? Billions of users are there throughout the world. Whoever wants, whoever wants my services and all that, they can get it. They can get it. So this is the web. These services, this linking facility is called internet. This is the server. So if you analyze that, product distribution system and information distribution system are alike. First you have to understand this thing. Thereafter, whatever I explain technically, you can easily understand. One thing I am telling you, this is the unique model. You may get it out how within months a, a graduate, an engineering graduate can be evaluated as a software industry ready programmer. This is the model what I am applying. Whatever concept I am going to explain to you, first I explain it from the real life. That you can easily understand. Thereafter, I explain it technically. Then you can immediately, simply by listening my videos, you can understand that. Okay. Now, three terms I have to introduce. What are the three terms? Internet, web, web means World Wide Web, uh, and third one is protocol. Internet is a massive network of networks. Massive network of networks. It connects billions of computers globally situated. Once again, I am telling you, internet is massive network of network. It connects billions, billions of computers together. That means one computer in the world can interact with any other computer situated anywhere in the world through the internet. That is a networking system. It is a hardware. That point you have to understand. Because of the internet only, anybody in the world, any computer in the world can interact with any other computer situated anywhere through internet, provided internet connection is there. That point you have to understand. The second one is web. Simply we call it the web. Web means what you have to understand? www, World Wide Web. That we have to understand. Okay. Now, web is the information sharing system. Information sharing system, that is called, we call as a web, and web is dependent. Actually, without internet, web has no use, because I developed my website with all the services, but I cannot distribute it to the others. Then what is the use? How I am able to supply my information to all, whoever are interested? Because of internet only. That point you have to understand. So web is dependent, internet is independent. Thereafter, protocols. Protocols means now you see huge data is transported here from websites to server and servers to billions of users. Then what is required? Some transport facility is required. So transport, for that broadband, everything is there. For that purpose, data is just like that transmitted. That jams, traffic jams happen. So you see that ordinary traffic, vehicle traffic, and all that. So in order to control them, how it is governed? Actually, traffic lights and different things are there. Because of traffic lights and all, these are controlled. There are, you know that there are three lights: red, uh, yellow, and green. Red means stop the vehicle. Yellow means get ready. Green means go ahead. So, in that way, certain rules are there. Because of those rules only, traffic is controlled. So, here, huge traffic of information is there. It should be controlled. For that purpose, a big set of rules are developed. Those rules are called protocols. So, I think you understood the three concepts thoroughly. One is uh, internet, Internet is massive network of networks. It connects billions of computers globally together. Second one is web. Web is the information sharing system. Protocol is a set of traffic rules to govern the transportation or transmission of the information through broadband. So now precisely I explain the differences. By that you can easily remember them. First, internet. Internet is a massive network of networks. It connects billions of computers globally together. Okay. Thereafter, web. Web is a information sharing system. The second one is internet was first developed in 1988, whereas web was developed in 1993. After 5 years, it was developed. Originally, internet was called ARPANET. ARPANET, and web was called NSFNet. Thereafter, what you understand, internet is hardware, means it consists of wires, plugs, connections, ports, etc. and all that. That is hardware. And web is purely software. It is nothing but information and protocol system. Actually, internet is controlled by IP, internet protocols, and uh, web is controlled by HTTP, hypertext transmission protocols. So these are the IP and HTTP. These abbreviations you see, that you understand. Internet is controlled by IP, internet protocol, and web is controlled by HTTP. And finally, the internet is independent. Without web also internet exists, but web is dependent. That means without internet there is no use of web. I can keep my system ready and it will be with me only. I cannot distribute my services, my information to others. That's why web is dependent on internet.